Hello, what's up guys, welcome back a new video. In this video I'll show you how to password protect a WordPress page or post step by step. Password protecting a page in WordPress is a super easy process. So end of the video you will be able to password protect any page or post in WordPress website. Let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard, then you can see post and pages. You can password protect any page or post. I want to password protect a page, so click on all pages. Very fast you can see home page. Let's check this page. You can see a image is showing here. I want to password protect this page. Then without entering the password, any visitor will be not able to see this content. So edit the page. You can edit from here and you can edit from here as well. I want to edit from here, so click on edit. From the right top side you can see two tabs are showing, page and blog. You have to ensure the page tab is selected, then the status published, click on it. Then very bottom you can see password protected, check this box. After checking this box, a password field is showing. You have to give password here. Just I want to give here admin, then save it. Visit the page. Yes, you can see protected home page and the image is not showing here. So if you want to see the content for the page, then you have to enter the password here. I know this password, so I can give here admin and enter. But if any user or any visitor don't know password, they will not be able to see the content. So in this video successfully we have learned how to protect any page or post with password. Thanks for watching the video.